Looking for a world-class college. College with modern infrastructure. College that renders global exposure. College that instills holistic development. What is looking for in college? Many student discovers one or 10 largest college. They will come just another face in crowd. Your search ends here at DBGI Una, one of the premier IT college in northern India, located in close proximate Chandigarh. But in DBGI, there is one professor for every 20 students. That means being in still face in crowd, you now interacted with professor personally. You are joined more than 2000 students from different states. DBGI Line, a memorable and empowering experience.
Devbhoomi Educational Trust was founded in year 2008 with the motto of quality education and quality of technology in our institute, with a best faculty in Himachal Pradesh.
Devbhoomi Educational Trust was founded in the year 2008 by a group of visionaries and intellectuals. The faculty at DBGI is dedicated. They act as a leader in their fields.
Dear students, it is my distinct pleasure on behalf of Devbhoomi Group of Institutes, UNA, to share this information with you. Devbhoomi Group of Institutes is running three institutes, namely Devbhoomi Institute of Engineering and Technology, Devbhoomi Institute of Polytechnic, Devbhoomi Institute of Management and Computer Applications.
To impart of quality education in the field of management, computer science, engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, civil engineering, automobile engineering, mechanical engineering.
Different branches in Polytechnic like mechanical engineering, electronics engineering, computer engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering and automobile engineering. Different branches in BTech program are mechanical engineering, computer engineering, electronics engineering, civil engineering, production engineering and automobile engineering. and our faculty is eminent faculty. They are very dynamic, young, all are dedicated towards the study. Our main emphasis and goal is to provide students with all facilities like lab work, tutorials, and we want to build a better engineer for tomorrow.
Internship program is integral part of DBGI academic curricula. It gives the student a glimpse into the present cooperative environment and allowing to apply the concepts learnt in the classroom to the real corporate world.
Good afternoon, my name is Shalini Thakur. I am the student of BTech 6M. As a part of Devbhoomi Group of Institute, I am the president of Raj Reddy Challenger Club of Students. This club organizes various activities like seminar, presentation, GDs and other cultural activities. By these activities, students can improve their technical skills and also their journal awareness. This is a platform where students can come forward to improve their confidence and also work for the club. This club is working as a source of entertainment and also source of learning. All the students are enjoying it.
In placements, among a few students who are passed out in 11-12, 15 students are placed in different companies like Preet Tractors and Alina Automobiles. And we are organizing a job mela for our students in our campus in the month of April-May.
DBGI believes that international exposure is the key to success in today's economy. It is motive for the students to gain cultural awareness and insight to foreign policies, to understand the global marketplace better.
My name is Anjana Dadwal and I am a student of BTech 6M. I would appreciate the scholarship system of Devbhoomi Group of Institute. College provide the scholarship on the basis of their percentage. Initially when I joined in this institute, I got the scholarship on the basis of my percentage in 12th. And about Devbhoomi Group of Institute teachers are very good and have their they have a cooperative natures and very versed. I am very fond of reading books. We have a e-library and through e-libraries we can easily find out the books. So at last I would say that I feel proud to be a part of Devbhoomi family.
My name is Vikrant Arya. I am from J&K. I am pursuing my BTech in mechanical from DBGI. When I took admission here, I am a little bit nervous about my adjustment, but within few days I will be able to adapt to this environment with the help of friends, staff members and management. After 2 years of my stint over here, I would like to share my experience. Besides study, the special attention paid to the student for their overall development. For that, various activities like hostel tours, seminars, industrial visits, etc., which really helps to develop for the development of students. I love to be a part of this campus. I love to be a part of this happening campus, and I proud to be a Bhoomian.
At DBGI, we not only provide classroom knowledge to our students, but also helps to students to develop their overall personality. DBGI recognize the importance of the sports in personality development and encourage their students to participate in indoor as well as outdoor activities.
Hi, my name is Ravi Kishan from Munger, pursuing BTech in mechanical branch. When I came here, I have too many questions in my mind about faculty, environment, friendly teachers. They help me to settle in this environment. The environment of this college is too peaceful and close to nature. It is perfect place for studying, and the hostel faculty is the very best beneficial point of our campus is it's near to industrial area. Because of it, we get chance to visit different companies like Nestle, Kamika, High-Tech, etc.
I am Richa Sharma. I am the part of Devbhoomi Group of Institute. I am the student of BTech 4th SEM. I like the clear vision of this institute to provide the higher education for students so that we can become the good citizens or save our society. Besides this college provides us a network, that is the PVC, this is a platform from which we can interact our teachers directly. This is a platform from which the daily academic activities like downloading or uploading assignments, announcements, we can check our attendance, all these are held on this platform. This is only the platform from which we can in touch our institute that what is happening around in this. None of my friends having this kind of facilities in their institute, so it makes me feel so proud that I am the part of Devbhoomi Group of Institute.
DBGI has modern infrastructure and technological support to facilitate teaching, learning and personality development of future's engineers. The DBGI library holds rich collection of printed as well as electronic resources. DBGI has well-furnished air-conditioned spacious lecture rooms with latest audio-visual aids. In order to give students a hands-on practical approach to learning, DBGI provides to students fully equipped state-of-the-art labs.
हेलो, माय नेम इज़ तन्वी ठाकुर. आई एम द स्टूडेंट ऑफ पॉलीटेक 4th SEM. मैं उस जगह से बिलोंग करती हूँ जहाँ पर पेरेंट्स अपनी बेटियों को बाहर पढ़ने के लिए नहीं भेजते हैं. उनके मन में हमेशा ये क्वेश्चंस होते हैं कि उनकी बेटियाँ बाहर सेफ़ होंगी या नहीं. आई थिंक देवभूमि इज़ ओनली इंस्टीट्यूट जहाँ पर स्टूडेंट की सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी की ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस पर ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया जाता है. स्पेशली फॉर गर्ल्स, गार्ड्स आर अवेलेबल इन 24 hours in campus for security purpose. Now my parents are relaxed. I would to thank DBGI to give me chance for higher study and in safe environment.
Ultra-modern hostels with separate wings of boys and girls. The amenities available in premises to give the students a feel of home away from home.
Hi, I am Abhishek Kumar from Patna, pursuing diploma in mechanical engineering in DBGI. It is located in Himachal Pradesh. This college in nearby industries. Because of this, we have a lot chance of getting job, trainings or etc. This college is best for all of us. And another fact is that environment of this college is very good around this college. This college is very good for all of us. When I come here, I have lots of questions in my mind that how to adjust here. But with the help of my friends, teachers and localities, I adjust here by spending time now day by day, and now I am happy. It is like my home.
Hi, I am Ajit. I am from Shimla. I am pursuing my degree in BTech from Mechanical Engineering from DBGI. When I came to this place, I have lots of things in my mind, like faculty, learning environment, etc. But as per faculty concern, they all are good, all their own fields. They help us a lot. Our campus is also Wi-Fi, where we get the all information about our studies and other things. Really love and proud to be a Devbhoomians.
Myself Sunil Priyadarshi. I am from Simri Bakhtiarpur, Saharsa, Bihar. I am working as an assistant professor in this institute since last 2.5 years. When I joined this college, lots of query in my mind about my settlement, but after 2.5 year experience, I can boost up in this. This is the best place to work for. I have been supported well. My colleague, management part over here, we are very close to nature, and this is the best place for a student to study.
Myself Anil Pandey, hail from Munger district, Bihar. I am working here as a assistant professor since last 2.5 years. From my knowledge, this is the best institute for the study purpose. I must welcome to all the students from every part of the Bihar, like Munger, Bhagalpur, Jamalpur, Saharsa, Lakhisarai, and as well as other part of the country. Whenever you people are here, it is just like your own home.
Good afternoon. My name is Suzuki Thakur. I am working in Devbhoomi Group of Institute as assistant professor. Basically, I am taking care of personality development of the student. Personality development classes are provided on irregular basis in other institutes, but the Devbhoomi Group of Institute has taken initiative to provide these classes on regular basis. We provide classes to first year student and to the last year student. These classes are meant for students because in nowadays in competitive environment, students should have certain skills in them which can give them competitive edge and provide them good jobs. Through these classes, we are focusing on polishing their communication skills, GD skills, presentation skills, decision making and problem solving skills, so that they can get placed into reputed companies and get success in their career. Thank you.
The students passed out from this institute are successful in their respective fields. This is an institute where students come in and go out becoming professional in their respective fields. We do not just provide degrees, rather than we bring out professionals. Come experience yourself what we can do to your life.